If you are working moss stitch and you have become distracted partway through a row and you're unsure whether you're on a knit or a purl stitch, this is how you can tell. Pick up your knitting so that your yarn is coming from your right hand needle and look at the next stitch on the left needle. If underneath the loop that's on the needle you can see a V, then you're on a purl stitch. Bring the yarn to the front and purl. If when you pick up your knitting, you look at the first stitch on your left needle and there's a little bump on it, then you want to create a nice smooth V above it and you're on a knit stitch. So take the yarn to the back and knit.